6 November Yankee, roger, the wind is 250 with 10, runway 21 Lima 2, cleared for takeoff. Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, contact Dutch Mail, 125.903. Have a good flight, bye-bye.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, we had a bird track during our takeoff, so I would like a short vector to final for ILS X-ray runway 21, please.
Okay, stand by short.
Like to maintain this altitude?
For sure, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, make it 3,000 feet, right heading 300.
Maintaining 3,000, that's right, 300, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
November Yankee, contact arrival 124.530.
43530, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee. A good day once again, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee. On turning right on heading at 300, maintaining 3,000 feet.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, Eindhoven arrival, hello, identified, roger, continue.
Continue on present heading, present altitude, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, you request vectors for the ILS?
Firm. Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
Yeah, roger. Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, Eindhoven.
Go ahead, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, do you request a normal setup at 8 miles final?
Yeah, we're ready for the labor, so Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, roger, and do you request any assistance upon arriving?
Negative. We'll ask for maintenance once we're stand out Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, roger, and turn right heading 040.
Right, 040, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, Eindhoven.
Go ahead, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, it will take about 10 minutes to get the runway clean. Are you willing to do a holding somewhere?
Yeah, we don't have any other option, I guess. So yes, tell us the point that you would like to hold.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, for me it's fine to hold overhead Bestie. Is that fine for you?
Over, second the point.
Bestie, that is 5 miles at your bearing 030.
If you can spell the point for us to put it on the box, we're happy.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, it's also fine to hold at present position, left-hand turns, 1 minute legs.
Left turns with heading second place.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, to hold at present position, 1 minute legs, left-hand turns.
Okay, left-hand turns with 1 minute duration, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, do you request to make the holding 3,000 feet or higher?
Negative, we have enough fuel, we can stay here with 6 November Yankee.
Roger.
With 6 November Yankee, do you want us to do another hold?
Yeah, that's correct, sir. Expect 10 more minutes to hold.
Another 10 minutes, okay, with 6 November Yankee. Any reason?
Say again, sir?
Is the runway cleanup still in progress?
Yeah, the cleaning up is still in progress.
Copy.
With 6 November Yankee.
Go ahead, sir.
Do you have any new estimates about the runway?
Yeah, all call tower, stand by.
Okay, thank you.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, you can continue with the approach if you would like to.
Yes, we're ready. We're expecting vectors.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, roger, turn left heading 090.
Left heading 090, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, right heading 180, cleared ILS, runway 21, report status localizer.
Right, 180 clear ILS, X-ray runway 21, next report, establish on the localizer, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee. Establish on the localizer, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, roger, contact tower, 131.005, have a nice day.
131.005, thank you very much for your help, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
November Yankee, yeah, once again, hello, you are number 1, continue approach, wind is 23014 knots.
Continue approach, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
6 November Yankee, the wind is 24014 knots, runway 21, clear the land.
Now Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
Switch to ground, 121.903.
21903 on Romeo 5, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee. Hello, once again, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee on Romeo.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, end of ground, hello again, taxi to holding point Romeo 2.
Holding point Romeo 2, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, for information, the bird control unit will join you on the stand.
Okay, thank you. Wizz Air 6 November Yankee. Crossing Romeo 2, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, hold at Romeo 2, a light aircraft will land in front.
One rating Romeo 2, Wizz Air 6 November Yankee.
Wizz Air 6 November Yankee, cross to 1 via Romeo 2, your parking stand is Sierra 7.
Crossing runway 21 for parking stand Sierra 7, Wizz Air 6 November.